Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Instagram using your email, username and Facebook. Alright, so follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you in order to log in into your Instagram account as well. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want the step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for future Instagram related videos just like this. Let's move on. So when you first open Instagram, it's gonna open up like this. So over here, in order to log in into your Instagram using your Facebook, you can click on the Facebook icon over here at the bottom. Now why it's saying Abhinav Timla is because over here on my Facebook app, I'm logged in into my this account. So whichever account you're logged in into your Facebook app, that account is going to be shown over here. Alright, so let's say your Instagram account is in another Facebook account. So what you can do is open your Facebook app, log out from your account and log in into the account which has your Facebook in it. So let's say I want to log in into this account which has my Facebook in it. Then it's going to show me a different name over here, as you guys can see. So whichever account you have, that account, it's going to be displayed over here. So once you click on it, you're going to log in into that Facebook account which has your Instagram in it. All right, and that's for those people who has like Instagram account linked with their Facebook. But let's say you created your Instagram account using email. What you can do is at the top where it says phone number, username or email, enter your email. So I'm going to enter my email over here. After entering your email where it says passport, enter the password of your account and click on login, and you should be able to log in into your Instagram account using email. So let's say you want to log in into your Instagram account using username. All right, what you can do is at the top where you entered your email, this time enter your username. So let's say my username of my account is Kevin. I'm gonna write Kevin over here. After I write Kevin, at the bottom where it says password, I'm going to enter the password of my account and click on login, and I should be able to log in into my account using username. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can log in into your Instagram account using email, username and Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step for future Instagram videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.